Making the copper powder in the gravimetric analysis experiment involves numerous steps, and this tutorial video will show you a few tips and tricks to produce it quicker. Set up the temperature probe, snorkel, and hot plate as directed for this experiment so you're ready to begin as soon as possible. It's advised to start the hot water bath on the hot plate while it is still on to speed up this process. There will be enough room for the copper solutions and the hot water bath on the hot plate. As the first solution is heating up, you can place your second solution on the hot plate to quicken this part of the lab. Once the first solution has reached the necessary temperature, you can use tongs to pour the copper solution directly into your 150 milliliter beaker with iron. Grab the flask from the neck at the top when using the tongs. When mixing with the glass stir rod, it's easier to tilt the solution and mix the copper that way. It is most effective to let the solution sit on an angle when letting it set, as shown. You will be required to decant at this point. Decant by placing the glass stir rod at the spout of the 150 milliliter beaker and letting the solution drain into a waste beaker. Be sure to turn off the hot plate before dealing with acetone, as it is flammable. When instructed to decant the acetone, assure this is done into another beaker. This will be the organic waste. When you're ready to use a hot water bath, place paper towel on the lab bench and place your two beakers with copper powder on them. It's best to place them in the hot water bath in 30-second to 1-minute intervals. It is important that the hot water bath is at the described temperature in order to evaporate the acetone and leave only the copper powder. Wipe the outside and inside of the beakers as you switch them to remove the condensation. It's a good idea to use the glass stir rod to break up the copper powder. You should notice that it should stick to the glass stir rod at first. As you continue to rotate the beakers in the hot water bath, they should begin to slide off the glass stir rod. This is a good indication that the copper powder is ready to be weighed.